Okay guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I created this floating shelf. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, a couple of things you're going to need for this project are wood glue, 2.5-inch Craig jig screws, 3-inch wood screws, wood putty, and a putty knife. The first thing you're going to do is level and mount your 2x3 on the wall where you'd like to have your floating shelf. Make sure you use a stud finder and screw your bracket into the studs. Now you're going to use a Craig jig, and now you're going to drill a hole in each 2x3 brace for your shelf. When working alone, it's easier to use a wood clamp to hold your brace secure while you screw it in. Now you're going to screw in each bracket using your 2.5-inch Craig jig screws. You'll want to be sure they are placed approximately a foot apart. We're going to build the shell using 1x8 and a 1x3. And we're going to use a thin line of wood glue the length of our shelf, and then we're going to clamp it down. Now you need to cut out the pieces of the 1x3 that will fit the end cap of your shelf. Now you're going to glue those in and use a brad nailer to secure them to each other. Now I'm going to use my wood putty and my putty knife to fill in any cracks, crevices. This way it looks like one solid piece of wood. Now you're just going to sand down your piece. Start off with 60 grit coarse sandpaper and an orbital sander, and then move down to 150 grit to give it a fine, smooth finish, and then finish it off with a nice stain. Once you mount it on your bracket, you will use the same wood screws you did before to attach it to your bracket on the top. It should slip right on.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and you have been inspired to go make something for yourself and for your own home. Be sure to subscribe to get more tutorials. Thanks guys. Bye bye.